Good day, learners. This is Newton's laws. So let's quickly do this question. Question number kanje. They say upper statement: a 50 kg metal container is dragged to the right across a rough horizontal surface with a force of 300 newtons acting on an angle theta. So we don't have the angle. The frictional force acting on the crate is 180 newtons. The acceleration of the container is 2,0838 meters per square second. Now they say state Newton's second law in when the net force acts on an object, the object will accelerate in the direction of the force with the acceleration that is directly proportional to the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of an object. Now the following question says, draw a labeled free body diagram representing all the forces acting on the block. So masiqale nge-force diagram ke. Force diagram, there is a normal force, vertical upwards, then we also have a weight, then we have this force, that is a force applied, then we also have this force which is a frictional force. So we can draw a free body diagram in this way. The bullet represents the block. So we have a weight, there, we have a weight, we have a normal force up there, then we have that force applied at that angle, then we have a frictional force that acts parallel to the surface. That is a free body diagram. Then you get your 4 marks. Then the following question says, prove that, in fact they say calculate the angle, but bayasixelela 20 degrees. Prove that angle theta is equal to 20 degrees. So angle yethu sizoyifumana kanjani? We have the acceleration here, which means we are going to use this acceleration to get angle theta. Okay, so into ezosinceda ke ngu-upper. Remember, there is that formula for Newton's second law. F net is equal to ma. We do have acceleration, we do have the mass of an object. So let's check upper we net force ke ngoku uba izothini into. So i-net force yenziwa yile force applied, yenziwa nayile friction, because the object is accelerating in this direction. Okay, so must resolve the components. We have fx, then we also have fy there. So we accelerate horizontally, which means we're going to use as formulas as forces v2. So this one will be negative, it's opposing the motion, then this one is positive. So fx is positive, friction is negative, which is equal to ma. So ilento fx yena ulingana no f cos theta. You can try to derive the formula minus the friction, which is equal to ma. Now we are going to solve, in fact is to substitute everything esinayo pha. Then we share unknown, and the unknown will be angle theta. Okay, so must substitute the force applied is 300 newtons cos theta minus 180 of a friction, which is equal to the mass is 50 times acceleration is 2,038. all right, then sitsho ke ngoku sidiva or sitranspose 180 aye kwela cala. So xa sitransposa pha izofike itshintshe sign 180 abe positive. Kweli cala ngoku sino 300 cos theta, which is equal to 281.9. Then we divide by 300 both sides. Nakweli cala sidivide ngabani? With 300. So let's divide by 300. We divide by 300 so we get the answer there. So kweli cala izoba cos theta, which is equal to 0.9397. Then sitsho simfumane theta ke ngoku cos inverse of 0.9397. Then athi aphume utheta uyocofa calculator pha, ushift ucos, then utsho ucofe pha la value, which is 20.00, that is 20 degrees. Besimfumene ke ngoku theta, simfumene utheta ongu-20 degrees. Then let's go to 2.4. Uthini u-2.4? Calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction. So that is 2.4. We are given the formula sheet Fk, which is equal to the coefficient of kinetic friction times the normal force. So in this case, you have to first calculate the normal force. Remember, if free body diagram yethu bino normal force iphinde xa kunyuka pha ibe no Fy, that is Fy, it's a normal force Fy, then ngezantsi be weight bezezinye forces. But since we are looking for normal force, we are going to talk about the forces that are vertical. Now ithi ke ngoku lento in normal force together with Fy zilingane weight, normal force plus Fy is equal to the weight of the object. So the normal force is what we are looking for, but Fy F sine theta, remember theta 20 is equal to mg for weight. So in normal force sizoyifumana pha by substituting endaweni ka-force ngo-300 sine endaweni ka-theta sizofike sifake bani pha u-20 lowa besinayo, then endaweni ye-mass ngu-50 times 9.8. Okay, then sitsho sifumane i-normal force, sifumane i-normal force. Ndizawuthatha le ndiyiweze ndiyizise ngapha, fike sibese i-calculator pha, then we get the normal. So i-normal force ke ngosiyifumane nansi ya i-normal force, that is the normal force. Now we are going to take this normal force sizoyisubstitute la. Remember i-frictional force besesinayo up there. The frictional force up there is equal to 180 newtons. Then sesiyibalile ke ngoku i-normal force ngu-387 newtons. Substitute, so sino 180 is equal to the coefficient of kinetic friction times the normal force .339. Okay, so there is 39 here. Then we divide by 387.39. Nangapha it's 387.39. Then we get the coefficient of kinetic friction. Ilingana, then we press the calculator, 180 divided by 387.39. So we have 0.464. 5, then you run off there. There is also 6 here. then you run off. That is the answer for 2.4. Now let's quickly go to another question. 2.5. Let's look at 2.5. What they say. These are the simplest questions that we have to get. The metal container continues to be dragged with 300 newtons, but the angle is increased. So when the angle is increased, you have to memorize this thing. When you increase the angle, what will happen to what? The value of the vertical component increases also. So when the angle theta is increased, Fy increases also. Then what will happen to the force, that is the gravitational, the frictional force? The frictional force depends on the normal force, alright? So, when the angle is increased, the Fy increases. Look at this. Fy no normal force power, but we same direction, meaning that to balance land, if Fy increase, the normal force decreases, which means Fy increase, normal force in this case, plane free body diagram, normal force decreases. So when the normal force decreases, the frictional force decreases also. So basically, yonke the question. They say what will be the effect on the magnitude of the kinetic frictional force. The frictional force depends on the normal force, but when you increase the angle, Fy increases. Go to a free body diagram. Normal force no Fy about same direction, meaning that when the Fy increases, normal force decreases. So when normal force decreases, frictional force decreases. So basically the question. So the frictional force will decrease, then the explanation length will show power. Okay? But if a free body diagram here to be meganje, masithi besine free body diagram no Fy or jonge ezantsi, that is Fy. Uhamba ne-weight la Fy. Ibizothini ke ngoku le nto? Then theta increases. When theta increases, Fy increases. But ke ngoku ubungakujonge ke ngoku Fy akekho kweli cala le-normal force, meaning that u-Fy uya increase ukuzibhalanse le nto, u-normal force naye makathini maka-increase, which means theta increases, normal force increases, frictional force increases. So ilula kanjani? So if normal force ukweli cala no Fy, what do we do? When Fy increases, normal force decreases. But if by opposite direction, when Fy increases, also the normal force increases. Then you are done. So imakanjalo question. There is nothing difficult here. So you just analyze your free body diagram. Let me draw a few apeza just to emphasize the question basiphendula kanjani. So masithi ubuyizobile free body diagram yakho. Yano normal force, yano weight, right? So what xa usenza ii-components zakho, Fx na Fy nakuya u-Fx waya le umzekelo ngendawo kule nto siyithethayo Fx, so Fy. So this is a normal force. So when you increase, maske sitshintshe ngo, when you decrease theta, Fy decreases. So Fy decreases. Okay? Fy is a decreaser. So in normal force, what will happen to the normal force? Since it's in the same direction, ukuzibalance le nto, normal force makenze into enziwa kweli cala naye makathini maka-decrease. So normal force uzothini pha uzo-decrease. What happens to a frictional force? Frictional force decreases also. Now let's say we have this free body diagram just to make it easy. Free body diagram, we have Fy here as a component, we have a normal force, we have a weight here. Now let's say theta is decreased. What will happen when theta decreases? Also Fy decreases. So what will happen to a normal force? Same side up. So if this one decreases, this one increases. Okay, so it would the normal force will increase in this case. Therefore into yenzeka normal force iyenzeka friction, so friction nayo increases. This is how we answer these questions. You just memorize, otherwise akho nto ithini apha ngesixhosa. We can just say normal force lapha kweli cala bekade incediswa, so lena iyayeka umncedisa because uya-increase. Simple. This one decreases, ayisancedisi kakhulu because iyamboma lo uya-increase. Let's look at this one and this one. So i-normal force ile nto u-Fy apha ebe-against ubani u-normal force, so ebencedisa i-weight leya, so uyadecrease kweli cala, i-normal force iyamlinganisa because we are trying to balance yonke laa nto. Okay, we are trying to balance, so we are done there. Thank you.